Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download anything LLM on your computer. So for downloading that, open any web browser. Now search here for the AnythingLLM. Now go to this link, AnythingLLM official website. Now here you can see, here is a button download free. Now click on it. Now click on this if you are in Windows, download for Windows. So here you can see downloading has been started. It is of 376 MBs. Will take a few seconds to minutes to download according to your internet speed. So let's wait till the downloading ends and then I will show you how can you install it. So as you can see here, downloading has been completed. Now double click it to install the AnythingLLM. So let's wait till the installer launches. So here you can see the installer has been launched. Now click on install. So here you can see it is now installing. Just wait a minute. So as you can see here, it is now again downloading the some files which it needs to install. So it will install after it. So this is how you can download AnythingLLM on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.